Hi, welcome everyone. In today's video of Power BI, I'm going to show you how to make interactive graphs in panel data while you can see the cross-country and cross-time effects and make a table of the variables that you want to explore. So in this graph, I'm going to show you three things. First of it is the line graph, which I selected using this line chart. So when I selected it, I added two variables on first y-axis and secondary y-axis, and I added average so that if I select a country and filter it a country, it will give me an average country value. Otherwise, it's average of all the countries across that time period. And then added a here variable on y-axis. So this way I have a line chart of average variable effect, the average variable value for each time period. So I can now decorate it by going into its details, and I can make the line thicker or add a line markers, so you can add details. Second graph that I added is the column chart. I selected this one, stat column chart. I selected country as a x-axis variable and average of one variable here. So you can add multiple graphs here using clustered column chart. But the problem is that even in this data file there are too many countries, so that's why you have to use this cursor, this way to see all the values. So this is the dynamic. Then I added a table. When I click it, you will see it here. So let me select the table here. So this is the table option, this, in which I have added three variables, average of two variables and the country variable. So here you can see, if you scroll it down, up and down, you will see the variables and their average values. You can sort it according to globalization, you can sort it according to financial development, or you can sort it according to alphabetical country names. Now, how the graph is dynamic, you can select any country here, it will update its graph over there. So for that country, the data for financial development is not available. That's why financial development average is not there. You can select any other country like Denmark. You can see their line charts and their average value. So this way, you have a dynamic window where you can show this. Now what I did is that I saved this file into, when I got save and save as, and in my documents I wrote it as practice. So what I will do, I'll go back and press save again and close it down and have a look how does it open when we have saved it, so that we can see that how we can transfer this output file to others. See, in my documents this practice file is here. This is saved in PBIX format. So when I open it up, it will show me. Let's see how does it show so that we can comment on it. You can see it is still there. So this way we have a graph. Now you can explore this further by adding details on the graphs, and this way you can add a report. So I hope you like this video. In this video we tried to focus on if the students are going to present a panel data for a project. Here they can see the relevancy over the time, the country values and the data values. So you can add more graphs. In the future values, I will try to add more details so that you can learn how to use Power BI for your data analytics or data presentation projects. Thank you.